Here to show you how to fix wrinkles in a cap without a steamer. I just got the Rev Solo today in white, and as you can see, it has a little bit of wrinkling here on the sides from packing, and I'm going to show you how I remove those without a steamer. It's pretty easy. See, we're going to get rid of those wrinkles there, the crease across the front, and then some of these wrinkles on the side here. Just a moment, I'll show you how. Alright, I've taken this hat and I've packed the inside tight with convenience store shopping bags. I actually saved those for just this purpose. You can also use a towel or washcloths. And the idea is I get them packed in there tight and I fill out the shape of the hat, right? And again, I like to pack it in there so it smooths out some of these wrinkles around the sides, the hat, the back, and that. Okay, once we've got that done, I'm going to take this wrinkle and remove spray here. This is just one brand. There are tons of different brands of this stuff, and this is a great way to get wrinkles out of clothing too. But the materials, they have to have some natural fibers in it, as in cotton. This is a flax, linen, and cotton blend. Any kind of natural fiber, wool. If it's a natural fiber mixed with polyester, it will still work with that too, but it works best on stuff that's 100%. And again, it's a wrinkle and relax spray, and so what it does is it basically relaxes the material where that crease is and gets it out. So now I'm gonna mist it in these areas that have it, the wrinkles. After I've done that, I'm gonna set this somewhere and I'm just gonna let it dry. Because this is a pretty porous material, I expect this will probably be dry in just a few hours. Sometimes you have to let it dry overnight. When it's ready, I'll resume filming this and you can see what the results are. Right here we have Peaky hats, Bobby in gray. You can see we've got some wrinkling on this cap too. A little bit of creasing. I'm going to do the same thing with this cap and let you see the results. Alright, we've got the Bobby fully packed out. Again, we pack it tight to get the wrinkles out of the side we want to remove here. Now the Bobby is 100% polyester cap. We'll see if it works as well for this as it does with the cotton flax linen cap. Again, we've got the wrinkle and release spray here. This is just one brand of many that they sell. Okay, we're misting it along where those wrinkles are that we wanted to remove. We're not like soaking it, but we're getting it pretty wet, you know, enough to saturate those wrinkles so the spray can do its work and relax the material. Now I'm going to go set this somewhere to dry for a few hours. Sometimes it takes till overnight, but I'll show you the results after it's dry. Alright, it's been a few hours since we packed these hats full of hat wrappers here and sprayed them with my wrinkle and release spray. They're now dry. Let's see how they are. Pack the hats. Tuck my strings here real quick. Alright, you can see coming around the hat now that those deep wrinkles are now gone. Let's try her on. Look at that. You don't need to have an expensive steamer to get wrinkles out of caps. You can buy a $5-6 bottle of wrinkle release spray. It works great, and you're not using the high temperature steam on the material, which on some caps can ruin them, you know, like the Boston Scally Shelby cap, for example. That's made the old school way with glues and that, and if you steam a cap like that, it's going to fall apart. I used that wrinkle release spray on mine, and it worked great. You can see again, all those deep wrinkles across the front and the sides here that are gone. Now this cap here was linen and cotton blend. This one here, the Bobby, is 100% polyester. Pull the bags out of there. Check my strings real quick. And you can again see some of those deep wrinkles now are gone. Let's try her on. String hanging out. The new cap, I haven't had a chance to train it yet, but yeah, you can see the deep wrinkles that were stuck in the sides on either side are now gone. It looks great. Again, you don't need an expensive steamer to remove wrinkles from your hat. Wrinkle release spray works great. This hat here happens to be the Peaky hat Bobby. It's a 100% poly cap. It's one of the reasons why we did it on this one, to just show you it works on different materials. This cap here is the Peaky hat Rev Solo. It's a linen and cotton blend. And again, you can see it got those wrinkles out great. So if you don't have the money to invest in an expensive steamer, this is the way to get those out. I hope you enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below. You'll get email notifications when my new videos come out. Check out the Gentleman's Roundtable, typically every Tuesday at 7:30 Central. See ya.
somewhere beyond the brim, beyond the smoke, and just past 7:30 p.m. Central. A gathering of gentlemen discussing Cap's culture and whatever else drifts into the night. The Gentleman's Round Table. Every Tuesday, 7:30 Central, 8:30 Eastern, where the conversation goes beyond the caps.
Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.